Did you know why it's worth dropping a few coins into a bird bath? An ornithologist shared this trick with me. A bird bath is something anyone can set up on a patio or in the garden, and it's really helpful. Birds then have steady access to water. Just remember to top it up with fresh water regularly, because residue can build up quickly. Many people place a bird bath not only so birds have somewhere to drink, but also as a nice garden feature, since bird baths can look genuinely decorative. The important thing is to make sure there's always enough clean water in it. And that's exactly when it's worth adding a few coins, preferably copper-colored ones. Coins contain copper, and copper has properties that help limit the growth of microorganisms in water. We're talking about bacteria, fungi, and other microbes that love warmth and moisture so they can multiply fast in a bird bath. They're often what makes the water turn cloudy, creates a slippery film on the bottom, and encourages algae to grow. Thanks to the coins, the water stays looking fresh for longer, and the bird bath won't develop that green buildup that looks unpleasant. The coins don't bother birds and won't harm them. They can still drink from the bird bath as usual, and for you, it means less scrubbing, fewer water changes, and a bird bath that stays clean and tidy for much longer. A winter-friendly, eco-friendly bird feeder that birds won't pass by even during the harshest frosts. It takes just a moment to make and can genuinely help birds survive winter at almost no cost. Start with an enamel mug. Next, grab some coconut oil. You probably already have it in your kitchen cupboard. It makes the perfect feeder base. Once it solidifies, it binds all the ingredients together, doesn't spoil in freezing temperatures, and is completely safe for birds. Add the oil to the mug until it fills about half of it, then gently heat it until fully melted. Place the mug on a heat source and wait until the oil has completely liquefied. Add pumpkin seeds to the liquid oil. They're highly nutritious, rich in fats, and birds love them. Then add a generous amount of ready-made birdseed mix with a variety of grains that attract many species. Mix everything thoroughly so the ingredients are evenly combined. Place a wooden spoon inside and position it so it stands firmly. This will serve as a comfortable perch for the birds. Now put the whole thing in the freezer or simply wait for the oil to harden on its own. Prepare some string and tie it securely around the mug. All that's left is to hang the feeder on a tree. Birds will quickly find it and keep coming back. This feeder works perfectly even in severe frost conditions. An old gardener showed me a way to protect cherries from birds. They avoid his fruit trees widely. If you have a problem with birds eating the fruits from your garden, watch until the end. This video will solve the problem once and for all. All you need is an old videotape. Inside, there's a black tape. Take it out from the videotape and unwind it. Cut it into 3 1-meter pieces. Then, tie them to the fruit trees and throw the other end to the top of the tree so that it hangs down the entire height of the tree. The tape is so light that the wind moves it even on calm days. The constant movement scares the birds away. This way, they don't sit on the branches and don't eat the cherries. It's surprising that such a simple method is so effective. Try it on your trees. Since I started using this trick, no birds have eaten my cherries. Unfortunately, this method doesn't work on my dog. Hang a bottle like this on each tree in your garden. Take a larger container and pour in 200 milliliters of vinegar, which you probably already have at home. Add 2 tablespoons of cinnamon and a few drops of clove oil. Mix thoroughly and let it sit for a few hours. After that, strain the liquid using gauze. Next, take a smaller plastic bottle. Using a funnel, pour the mixture into the bottle. Take aluminum foil, tear it into smaller pieces, and crumple them into small balls. Drop them into the bottle and close it. Use a soldering iron to make small holes in the bottle, allowing the scent to escape. Prepare a piece of string and tie it to the bottle. Now just tie it to the tree. This is a quick and effective way to repel insects and pests in the garden safely. Natural ingredients like vinegar, cinnamon, and clove oil make it an eco-friendly alternative to chemical solutions. Put a ball of aluminum foil like this in your home. You'll quickly get rid of ants, moths, spiders, and cockroaches. You'll be surprised by what's hidden inside this ball. Just place it in different spots. Thanks to it, your problems with bugs and insects will disappear in seconds. So grab some aluminum foil and do what I do step by step. Tear off or cut a piece of aluminum foil with scissors. Get some sugar. This treat attracts ants, flies, and cockroaches. Pour 2 tablespoons of sugar into a small bowl. Add 1 heaping tablespoon of toothpaste. Every toothpaste has ingredients insects don't like. That's why toothpaste is often used to fight and repel all kinds of bugs. Add a little citrus peel. It can be grated lemon, lime, or orange peel. Mix everything together. Scoop some onto the aluminum foil and wrap it into a ball. Use a toothpick to poke holes in it all over. This will work on ants, cockroaches, and moths. Place these balls in different corners, especially in the kitchen and bathroom. Put them in cabinets, too. You won't see ants or moths anymore. I'm sure you'll love this simple trick. If you do this, moths, ants, and cockroaches will flee from your home. You'll never have bugs in your kitchen again. If you spot pantry moths in your kitchen, act immediately. These insects can infest anywhere that's dry and has plenty of food. Grab a bowl and some ground coffee. 3 tablespoons will be perfect. Coffee gives off a strong scent that repels insects, discouraging them from settling in cupboards or pantries. Take a few bay leaves and crush them into smaller pieces. Bay leaves also work as a natural repellent due to their strong essential oils, which insects avoid. Add a tablespoon of ground pepper as well. Pepper contains piperine, which irritates insects. It not only repels bugs, but also disrupts their communication and navigation abilities. Wrap everything in a small packet and poke holes in it. Place it in different areas. Ants, flies, moths, and aphids avoid areas where they smell these spices. Putting them where insects appear helps protect your food from pests. Pour the vinegar into the mint. This combination has an unexpected use. Start by preparing a glass container. Add 1 tablespoon of dried mint. Thanks to its strong scent, mint is a natural repellent. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Pour in 300 milliliters of hot water, stir and let it cool. Then, prepare a second glass container and a strainer with cheesecloth. Strain the mint infusion and add 200 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar has strong disinfecting properties and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Moreover, its sharp scent repels pests. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle, which makes it easy to apply. This homemade remedy works as a protective shield against mice, rats, cockroaches, ants, and other insects. Just spray it where pests appear or where they may enter the house. It's a simple yet extremely effective solution that can be used both indoors and outdoors.